Welcome to section 2, where we dive into the heart of working with generative AI, prompt engineering. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? Simply put, it's the art and science of crafting effective instructions or prompts for your AI tools. Think of it like giving directions. If you tell someone, go find me some food, you might get anything. But if you say, please go to the grocery store on Tim Street, buy, let's say, organic tomatoes, chicken breasts, and lettuce, and bring them back for me for a chicken salad, then you're far more likely to get exactly what you need. That's prompt engineering for AI. Why is this so important? Because the quality of the output you get from generative AI is directly proportional to the quality of your input. A vague prompt will give you a generic, often unhelpful answer, but a well crafted prompt will unlock AI's true potential, giving you precise, high quality, and useful content. AI isn't a mind reader, it's a brilliant but very literal assistant. It needs clear instructions to perform at its best. While we'll dive deep into techniques, a good prompt generally has three core elements. First, clarity and specificity. Be precise about what you want. Second, context. Give the AI background information it needs to understand your request. And third, instructions and constraints. Tell the AI what format to use, what tone to adopt, or what to avoid. Let's take this for example. If I type write about dogs, I'd get a very generic and not very helpful answer. A better prompt would be write a 150-word blog post about the benefits of adopting rescue dogs for new pet owners using an encouraging and warm tone. Much better, much less generic, and very helpful. Mastering prompt engineering is your key to mastering generative AI as a virtual assistant. In the upcoming lessons, we'll break down these elements and practice crafting prompts that get you exactly what you need. Let's get started.